Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can access the Firefox View feature on Mozilla Firefox. So let us dive right into it. Start Mozilla Firefox, and if your Firefox is up to date, guys, and if you're using the most recently released version, you may be given access to the Firefox View feature. Usually you will find it here in the top, very top left corner. This one here, Firefox View, and this is also going to give you a better overview of features like your recent browsing data here, so that you may, for example, access already closed tabs or websites, or delete them from your browsing data by clicking on that X button here, or check your browsing history, and use tabs from other devices, use the search bar to browse through your browsing history, and so on and so forth, guys. So that's basically it. That's how you access the Firefox View feature. To close it, simply head over to one of your other tabs, and that's it. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.